Welcome to OneCal, Social Calendar and Event Finder. If you are not already on the Settings page, click on the Settings tab to come here. Enter your email address and press Update. Similarly, enter your phone number and your phone carrier and press Update. You will not receive any spam. This is simply so you can be notified of any upcoming event you have. Click here. You can be notified when an event is added, edited, or deleted, or for upcoming events in these increments of time. Or if you want custom reminders, enter them here. For example, an email 6 hours prior to each event, then press Update Email Notifications. Similarly, for text notifications, same thing. If I want to text 15 minutes before each event, type 15, press Update. You can close this section, choose your time zone, and press Update. Now we'll go to the calendar to see how to use it. Click on My Calendar at the top. There are two calendars. The first is My Calendar, which has all of the calendars which are relevant to you. To choose or toggle them, click here. You can use any of these quick link buttons over here, or you can choose calendars individually. Click here to do so. Individual Private is your personal calendar, visible only to you. Individual Public is your personal events which are visible to a network, so other people can see them, such as your friends. Holidays, your friends' events, your friends' birthdays, your Facebook events, any network events, and any of your groups which have events. If you click a calendar, it will hide those events. Click the calendar again to see them. Or to view just one calendar at a time, go to View Simple Calendar to see your calendar or any of your group's calendars. Finally, you can see a categorized listing of all the calendars by clicking here. Again, clicking a calendar will hide the events, and clicking again will show them. There are three ways to navigate the calendar. The first is the Change Date or Zoom button on the right. The second is the Previous and Next buttons. And the third is to actually click on a date, which will zoom into that week. To add an event, simply click the faint Add Entry button for the date you want, enter the information, and then choose your calendar. On the top are your individual events, and underneath that are all the Facebook groups for which you're a Facebook admin or officer. Again, private events are visible only to the individual or group that they're a part of, and public events are visible to the network if you want to share them with your friends or other people. Then press Add Event. To view or edit an event, simply click on it, and then you can delete or edit it. Now we will go to the public calendar, which is the second calendar. This is the Event Finder. Events and organizations are listed by network, so choose a network here, and then click Find Events or Organizations. Click here to see all of the calendars. Individual Public has all events created by individuals. Network events are major events happening in your area, and these are all the Facebook groups which have public events for that network. Click a calendar to hide or show that calendar. Alternatively, you can search for an event or organization or see a categorized listing of all of them. The first four are all of the Facebook groups and the categories they were created under, and these are individual and network events. As before, click on a category to hide those events. Click again to show them. At the top, you also see supergroups for any preset groupings of calendars. For example, if there's a smaller community or a subnetwork within that network, so if any exist, click here to see them. Now we will go back to the settings page for importing and syncing your calendars. If you already use a different calendar, such as Google, iCal, or Outlook, click here to import your calendar. Click here to find out how to get your exported ICS file for your calendaring program. And once you have it, insert that file. This was my Google Calendar. Choose the calendar you want to insert it for, and any subcategories, then press Import. Next, sync your calendars so all changes will be updated on both your calendars. Click here for instructions on how to do so.